Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'll be giving you a tour around this Volkswagen approved used Polo that's just landed in stock at our dealership. This is a 1 litre TSI SE Mark 6 finished in a limestone grey paint, and it does also come with your 2-year Volkswagen warranty. If you'd like to find out more information about this Polo, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So on the front you have your black grille with chrome surround with your Volkswagen branding in the centre. Got your LED daytime running lights really brighten up the road for the driver. This Polo has your 15-inch alloy wheels, and then as an upgraded option on this Polo you do also get your remote folding door mirrors, which will help to keep your car safe when left parked on narrow streets. This 5-door hatchback has covered over 9,000 miles, so it's a low mileage. It's in a lovely condition. Then taking you inside the rear, we've got a practical cloth finish. It's also really comfy as well. You've got Isofix points in 2 of the outer rear seats to help you get them child seats in and out. And then with this car you'll also benefit from your front and rear parking sensors, which will so much help when manoeuvring in tight spaces. Got your Polo badge in. And to access the boot you just push the Volkswagen badge in and lift. And then opening up, we've got a practical space. We have a good size considering it's a smaller vehicle. You do also have the option to put down your rear seats, and then you do have your space saver spare wheel under there as well. So it'll keep you covered for any punctures. And then with this vehicle you do also get 2 keys, which is ideal if you've got multiple drivers. And then moving towards the front. So opening up the driver's door, you'll find your electric mirror window and central locking controls. Then scanning over, we have your multifunction steering wheel, followed by your infotainment system and your front seats. You also have an armrest in the centre, which is part of an upgraded option on this Polo. So this concludes a 360-degree tour around the exterior. Next I'll jump inside and I'll go in more depth on the car's technologies. So firstly, jumping inside, we have your multifunction steering wheel. So here we can access your audio controls, and on the right you have the controls that will allow you to shift through your instrument cluster, which highlights key information for the driver. It's got things like your telephone, vehicle status, driving data. Then we do also have your automatic lights to ensure they're always on at the correct times. Got your grey decorative inserts, followed by your infotainment system. So here we can access your car's features. You've got your shortcut buttons either side. So I'll just go through a couple of them with you. So you've got your DAB and FM radio. So this comes as standard. And then you do also have the benefit of your App Connect. So you can seamlessly display your phone apps through the car, so you can access your maps, contacts, messages and music. So it's a really good feature to have. And then we do also have the benefit of your Bluetooth telephone connect, so you can answer phone calls safely through the vehicle. And then as I mentioned earlier, we do have your front and rear parking sensors, so this is how it will be displayed on your screen. It will give you that boost of confidence when parking up. Then moving down, we have your manual air conditioning controls that can be easily operated by both yourself and your front passenger. Then as an upgraded option, this car features the winter pack. So it has 2 front heated seats. You already benefit from this option during the winter. And then moving down, we've got 2 USB ports to charge your media devices. We've got your 5-speed manual gearbox, your manual handbrake, followed by some cup holders. You've got some storage space underneath your armrest. I'll just give you a close-up of the lovely detailing on the seats. So that concludes the tour around this Volkswagen Polo. If you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. Thanks for watching.